Hello and welcome back to Risk of Rain 2, where we kind of broke everything again. So in today's video, I was playing a modded character called Mortician, and his whole thing is he summons minions, and the minions are essentially limited by running out of health. So we figured out, hey, how about we get away from the minions to heal? And we might have figured out how at the cost of everything.
That's like a seven. They're forming a pyramid.
That's like a 7-second delay between me doing something and something on the game happening. As always, if you find yourself enjoying the content, want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the month. Thank you and enjoy. You are playing a class that has no descriptions.
Yep, no description. I'm gonna look like this.
Okay.
Let's go!
Hang on, I gotta set everything going.
I have the mental fortitude to torture myself for content.
Oh god.
Because I got a good night's sleep.
Let's hope.
Get a good night's sleep, kids. It does make you feel better.
Let's hope that thing isn't broken like the one Caleb played off recording. Because the one Caleb played
okay.
just lagged the game to buggery and back.
It seems actually pretty reasonable.
Nice.
None of my abilities have descriptions, so I don't know exactly how they work. But where are you? Hello. Okay, check it out. I have a mid-range point-to-point where I look teleport. I have this thing. It's a bit laggy and not super easy to. Oh, it bleeds. I've got this, and then my final ability is that.
Okay.
Yeah. I assume that's just the imp stab thing. You know what?
Probably.
Is there a limit to how many I can make? Yes. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Well, I do bleed, so, Halcyon.
Yeah.
We need to find, I think...
Ow, I may die here. Go, my pretties, go!
Is that you doing purple, or is that me?
That is probably you.
Is it this? Or is it that?
I ain't flicking purple.
I have no idea what is purple. That? Yes, it's... Okay, I can dash through them and inflict purple.
It inflicts purple upon them.
Well, it's purple blood. I don't know what that means, but it does the thing.
Fear the wrath of purple.
Yes. Haze. Feedback. It's a great light novel.
Oh, just.
I haven't actually read it, but I mean to.
I can barely hear what you're saying.
I think it's a light novel.
Focusing on living.
I kind of forgot what we were doing else in this one.
You're the one who triggered it.
I'm dumb. Don't forget that. Never forget my stupidity. It knows no bounds. I'd love to know what my abilities actually do mechanically.
Does holding tab reveal any insight?
No. Here, I'll read it out to you. My M1. Primbleed1 underscore name. Primbleed1 underscore description. Secbleed1 underscore name. Secbleed1 underscore description. Do you need me to read the other two?
No, I think I get the concept.
Cool. Die. So I think these are just things that the imp can do.
Well, yeah, enemies are
they're coded like players.
Yeah.
You can tell when you when like house turns you into one.
Yeah.
Do we have insecticide?
I don't know.
Did make the mod pack, so. Imp.
I am trying to live. My goal is to become the ultimate necromancer. Minions!
Minions? Wait.
God, if we have any modders watching this video, please make a texture pack that turns Mortician's
No.
into minions.
No. I
Why
don't want
not?
that.
Why
No.
not?
We don't need that. That's
Why not? What do you have against the minions?
I refuse to divulge my deep, dark, twisted mind to and how that relates to the minions.
Okay then.
I've found be something that I can touch. Yes.
Right, don't hit with the shovel because it sends my minions away from what I'm trying.
Well, it'll latch your minions onto them though.
Oh, it does? I didn't know
Yeah.
it did that.
No, it's intended so that like if you hit them into it, they'll latch on.
I see, yeah.
Deal like constant damage. Yeah.
Yep, it's dead. Go over there. Go, my pretties, go! Minion shotgun.
Yeah. It would be like that.
I love that when you hit the shift to make them self-destruct, they like just float up as if they're being ascended to the heavens.
Yeah.
And then fucking explode.
Give me that.
Portal time.
Did you press it?
Yeah.
It wasn't sure if portal time was, but like it was ready. Bebop, let's go.
Murder time.
I should get a. I probably don't need that actually. I was gonna say I should get a highlight off the banner, but 2 dashes is enough.
If you get
Void
one, I
zone.
can just make a bunch of my minions explode.
That's true. I don't feel like that would be that good. I feel like there are probably better reds that.
Oh yeah,
make
like an
so.
alien head. More minions, baby.
Yeah, although I don't think an alien head would actually be that worth it.
Sure,
I
yeah.
feel like you'd
Pesticide.
be better pesticide. Yeah. Some on kill thing. Like gasoline. Gasoline's really good.
I'm sending
Should
my
go gasoline.
minions in from
Okay,
like 6 miles away. I'm just whacking them in from like 200 meters away.
Nice.
I have no idea if they're actually making it.
Special.
Yeah?
Gasoline. You should build that.
Yeah. I'm building Will-O-Wisps currently.
That too, but I don't think Will-O-Wisps actually do fire because you can take ignition tanks. But
No, but Will-O-Wisps can do an insane amount of damage.
that's true. But gasoline and ignition tanks does more.
Yeah, but if I don't do the ignition tanks, then I can stack the backup man. Like I have grays that I can get.
That is true.
Kill that thing. Man, I love having the minion yeet at 9,000, aka my shovel. Oh, gambling.
Ooh. We love a little bit of a gamble.
Gave me an equipment thing. And another equipment thing. Well, there can be 3 tricorns there later.
Is it 3 or 3?
3. Also, we should probably get some, well, I should get some attack speed. But it will be we, because if I get it, you also get it, because I think that means I summon my minions faster, because it speeds up the animation.
Maybe. I never tested that. I don't... maybe a little bit. I'm not sure.
Yeah, well, a little bit counts, so...
I am at the hotel!
So am I.
Starting now!
Come forth, my minions. Dang it, I tried to hit the glacial one.
I'm frozen.
I have no idea if this will work with the minions. God, I hope it does. Okay, it doesn't. Either way, it's still useful. I got the the Genesis loop.
Don't remember what that is.
When you hit 25% max health, you go kaboom.
Yeah, right. The ghouls... Oh no, the ghouls don't inherit everything.
No.
Does that work with Edgy's turrets?
Huh? Yes.
Does that work with... It does? That's
Yes.
They're usually too high health for that direction.
Yeah. Well, yeah, if you've been building...
You have to, like...
If you've been building Bunkai, yeah.
Which is the best that you should never not be building Bunkai. Oh, no. Unless you're running the laser boys, but I don't think that they're ever really worth it.
They can be better than the laser turrets with specific builds.
Do you mean the gunner, the bullet turrets?
Yeah.
Normal turrets? Oh. Punted your turret.
Yeah, and I made one self-destruct right as we leave.
God, you just hit your children with a shovel and then kill them. And
No,
explode
wait.
them.
No. They just kill themselves. I just tell them to do it.
Ah, got you. What purple? Purple? There are no purple. Blue.
Oh.
What?
I went kaboom.
Ah. Oh, I could do that. Makes healing harder.
Let me know when you're ready to move on.
I could get a hungering. I could get hungering gaze to replace my primary.
Sure.
My primary is sort of just.
Holy crap, the minions are insane with infusions.
Do they get more health?
No, when they die... Because they trigger on death. It treats the same as when a creature dies.
Oh. Huh.
My minions give me health.
Okay, hold on. Now this has potential. Go, leave. Time to go.
Okay. They give me life.
Speak, my man, speak. Imp. Oh, I was. Well, can I? No, that doesn't work. Sad. Good.
You simply lack to the will. Oh, they have Dio's best friends.
Oh, just gasp.
Kill them, my minions, and then kill them again. Okay, I don't think the ghouls can be healed because the Lepton Daisy went off and it didn't do anything.
Well, that's a shame. Probably a good idea on the next one.
Yeah.
Got an immortal ghoul army running around. I feel like that may be.
That's it, I did just have an idea to test it.
Yeah. Is there anything that heals on kill?
Yeah.
But like in like an aura?
No, but it will make like healing balls. Actually, maybe. Hang on, I'll check if that red works how I thought it did. Yep.
You healing him?
On hill, heal 10%, all allies within 5 meters lasts 10 seconds. Now we get 2 interstellar desk plants.
Sick.
Yeah, see? When they die, they spawn the, Yeah, it's healing them! It's healing them!
Oh, yeah, nice. Let's go. Well, do we want a third one?
Yes.
Yeah, let's
We do it. The power.
You know what we should do?
What?
We should just do 2 morticians.
Nah.
If we really want to hit maximum ghoulage, I think we should just have 2. No, is it mortician or is it non-detector? No, mortician.
Mortician.
Mortician, yeah. We should just do 2 at the same. Oh, well, actually, are there any other minion guys? Not
There's
really.
Shaman.
Oh yeah, I didn't like that one that much.
Engineer.
Well, I said edgy. Or maybe I thought it. I don't know. It's this one, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think we should do a second part to this or cut this video in half. And, I'm thinking. I'm having ideas.
Oh,
Oh look, it's my father.
Your big ol' uncle.
What?
Yeah, because now I can just make them commit die, and then it makes the
Oh
plan.
shit, it heals. This feels immortal ghoul army. Seb, after this run is complete.
Oh my god. As soon as
Seb!
as soon as
Oh my
one of
God!
them dies.
They're not walking anymore.
That's because there's no enemies. As soon as there is an enemy, I go to like 20 frames.
Sebastian, I have a suggestion.
Oh no, I've created an absolute monster.
You have. Seb, may I make a suggestion?
Yeah.
Can we split this video across 2 runs?
Yeah.
Can the next run be me also on Mortician and we push this to its absolute fucking limits?
I guess, yeah.
Cool. I wanna see where this goes. I wanna see what maximum ghoulage looks like.
The fact that you keep calling it maximum ghoulage.
Dude, maximum. You tell me you don't want to achieve maximum ghoulage.
No,
with
it
me?
just sounds funny. Just the term.
Unless there's a.
max.
Is there a
ghoulage.
maximum ghoulage? Is there a better complement to it?
A
to
healing-based character, maybe?
But like, what does that mean?
Oh, an imp dude spawned next to me.
Like, what is that? I mean, maybe
Seeker.
Paladin, but he feels.
Yeah,
I don't have Seeker.
Yeah, but I do.
So the I play Mortician then?
Yeah. I guess,
Nah, but
unless...
I feel like
I think this may... Just looking
I think
at...
it's good enough, frankly.
Yeah, looking at the bar, I think, the part 2 may... There may not need be a sequel. Our computers may not be able to handle a sequel.
We need to find out. We need to
I
know.
think we're gonna find out.
We're gonna do our first. You can put a to be continued meme in.
Yeah.
We can find out the true limit to which.
Okay, we need more interstellar desk plants.
Don't worry.
It's the only way to make this better is more. I got a red.
Okay, so.
From a regular
Oh.
chest, I invoked it.
So you did.
Come on, baby, give me a raid.
It's not enough.
Yeah, we need more. We need more healing.
We need more and more widespread healing.
That said, when I'm kind of just standing in the localized healing field.
Oh, don't keep pushing it.
I am.
Go!
It's gonna run out. Never mind, they killed something. Oh, they're dying.
Oh, yeah.
No, they're dying.
Yeah.
Nope, they're not dying. Oh god, my frames. Frames.
Wait, no, you can just kill one, and it'll spawn one.
They'll just... I can just walk forwards. Yeah.
Seb, just press the shift. You'll kill one and summon the thing.
I don't think that triggers it, or at least if I do, it takes a while.
It should.
Oh god, the frames. I can't look at them.
I can.
Oh yeah, you're probably not the one stimulating all the AI.
I don't know if I want to be stimulating.
Stimulating. Wrong word.
I mean, they don't move, but there's no lag.
Until there's an enemy. Okay, we're having very different experiences. I'm on like 2 FPS.
Oh, maybe I should be recording this. Ah, nah.
Oh my god,
Lovely, more particles. You know what? I don't know that we need a sequel, frankly.
No, I think I'm pushing it to its limits, and I think my game's about to crash. Oh, this hurts my eyes to look at.
I think
like a
they're forming a pyramid.
There's like a 7-second delay between me doing something and something on the game happening. The stat...
They're forming... They're forming
Okay,
shape. They're stacking on top of each other.
I have to look away from my screen. I think I just need to let them die. Oh, I can't look at my screen. My eyes...
Never let them die.
My eyes hurt. Oh, this is gonna give me a seizure. I'm gonna have to put a disclaimer at the start of this.
Oh my god. Wait, I'm giving them all crash.
Oh.
I crashed the game. Let's go! I crashed the game!
The game died.
I pressed Gurak's Opus or whatever to give them all frenzy. it just couldn't send that.
The game died.
Oh. Hold on. I was recording just so, because I just in case.
Holy shit.
Oh, good lord.
Well, I think we have our video.
That's peak. That's it right there. 3 million views. 3 million, I'm telling you.